gorgeous people. This is Ambizzares DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Surprise Sunday and it is Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day to everybody out there. I hope you're having a great Valentine's Day. And I have some surprise mail. So I don't like to do multiple videos in one day, but I knew that a couple of these things that I got in the mail were Valentine's cards, so I wanted to make sure that I tried to squeeze them in on Valentine's Day. So that's why we're going to go ahead and do one more video today, but it's not going to be that long. Hopefully you guys all watch it, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Yes, my eyes look a little crazy today. Let me get a little closer. So look, I tried this really cool eyeshadow where you just like press it on, right? And it's like a leopard print situation. Well, I pressed this eye better than I did this eye, but I wasn't going to redo it and I wasn't going to waste it. So you guys are just going to have two wonky eyes today. What the heck? Who cares? At any rate, let's jump into this friend mail. Okay, guys, so I have friend mail from 3 of my YouTube buddies. One is from Jean. Her channel is called Jean's Junk. Another is from Kim. Her channel is Kimmy's Boxes. And the last one is from Tiffany, and her channel is Tiffany Wears T-Shirts. So I'll go ahead and jump into the cards first, and then I'll jump into this little package that Tiffany had sent to my P.O. box. So without further ado, this is from Jean. And again, her channel is called Jean's Junk. Look at how cute this is. There's a little something in there. I can feel a little something, something, Jean. What's in there? So look how cute this is. This just has our P.O. boxes on it. We both have our P.O. boxes listed in our About section, and I list mine in the description box of every single video. So, yeah, look how cute this is. She's got the little XOXO. She's got a little flamingo on there. Super cute. On the back here, it has a heart. Oh, and then we have the little Jesus fish right there. Super cute. All right, let's dig into this. There we go. She did tell me she sent me a little something, but I don't go to my P.O. box that often. I mean, my P.O. box is in PA. I live in Ohio, so I don't drive there that often, but I do like to. Oh, how cute. Oh, look how cute this is. I love the simplicity of this. How cute is that? Loving it. Okay, so, ooh, so cute. Okay, we're going to sit this right here for a second. And it says, Amber, really am loving all the new tutorials. They are very helpful. Oh, well, awesome, Jean. I'm glad somebody's getting some use out of some of the stuff that I post on my channel. It says, have a amazing day. Happy Valentine's, just me, Jean. Oh, look how cute that is, guys. Yay, she's got great handwriting. So, and a lot of the friend mail that you guys just saw me send out, I had typed notes. That's because my handwriting sucks. Just saying. So if I would write in there for everybody, yeah, they probably wouldn't be able to read it. It would be like, 50 minutes later into the video, and they'd be like, I'm trying to figure out this word on that word. Yeah, so I just type my notes. I'm just saying. Okay, so what is this? This is, oh, a whack pack balloon. It like poofs up. Okay, so let's go ahead and try to open. Ooh, scissors. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. That's fun. I think I can get it opened. Maybe not. Maybe I didn't cut it down far enough. I said this was going to be a quick video. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe it's going to be super long. I'm just saying. Because I can't get this opened. Okay, so what do? Balloon inflates before your eyes. Poof. Smack the pack. Oh, I'm supposed to smack it. Oh, I messed it up. Oh. Let me see if I can do it now. Oh, sorry, guys. There it goes. How cute. Oh, Jean, that is so fun. I love it. And then it has a little string that you can tie onto it. But it is filling up. I hope you guys can hear that. But I don't know if I was supposed to smack it inside the pack. But I just totally botched your whole super fun thing, Jean. Sorry about that, but this is super cute. Thank you very much. Love it, love it. So we'll go ahead and set that aside and let that balloon finish inflating. And this next one is from Kim. Her channel is called Kimmy's Boxes. I just did an unboxing of some awesome jewelry that she sent to me. So can't wait to start working on all of that stuff. I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. Oh, how pretty. You make so many hearts happy. Oh, that is so sweet. Here's the front of the card. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Okay, and open it up. It says, especially mine. Oh, Kimmy, that is so sweet. Happy Valentine's Day. I hope you have a lovely day. I'm so glad we are friends. You totally rock, girl. Love, Kim, Kimmy's Boxes. Oh, that is so cute, guys. Oh, I love that. That is such a great card. Well, that's awesome. Thank you, Kimmy. That was super fun. Okay, and then the last thing here, I did not open it. I did like cut the top as I always do, but when I got this package at my P.O. box, I knew that it was most likely from Tiffany because she did tell me that she sent me a little something. So I didn't want to like open it, like not knowing what the heck it was. You know what I mean? Like when you get a package in the mail, you're like, what the heck is this? And you just open it and check it out. I didn't do that because I want to be surprised with you guys. And I'm pretty sure this is from her. If it's not, then I guess I have a really nice blooper video for you guys. Awesome. All right, guys. So here's the package and let's pop it open. Let's see. I'm assuming this is from you, Tiffany. If it's not, you know, let me know. Okay, so what do we have here? I think it's a blanket. Ooh. Oh, cute. Oh, it's a cow. Okay, let me open this up. Oh my God, this is so cool. Oh, this is so cute. And it's personalized, guys. So now I'm like 1,000% sure this is from her. Oh my gosh, it feels so soft. Oh. Guys, and fun fact, I'm always cold, so I love my blankets. Okay, let's take a look at this. Oh, this way. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking cute. Stop it! Oh my God, this is so cute. So it says on the front, I don't know if you guys are going to get all this, so I'm going to have to take a shot of this on my stairs so you guys can see it. But it says, just a girl, I'm sorry. Says just a girl who loves cows, Amber. So cute, guys. So I'm gonna try to show it to you, but like you're not gonna be able to see it here. Look at that. It is personalized with my name on it. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then we have a super cute cow here. Okay, that is super, super cute. Ah, Tiffany, thank you. What an awesome gift. So it is so funny. I love cows. I am always cold, and she personalized this for me. So how much better can this get? Oh, that is so awesome. So again, guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you like a little, you know, picture of this at the very end because you really couldn't see what it was from me standing here, and there's no way for me to get a shot like that in my current setup. So I'm going to go ahead and get a shot on the steps so you can see the full blanket, but it is so beautiful. It is so super soft. I love it, love it, love it. I almost don't want to use it. Like you just want to have these types of things for a decorative thing and not actually use them. But I know the intent is to use it, so we'll see how it goes. But thank you, Tiffany. So awesome. Yeah, she totally nailed that for sure. So again, if you guys have not checked out any of these lovely ladies' channels, there's Jean from Jean's Junk, Kim from Kimmy's Boxes, and Tiffany from Tiffany Wears T-Shirts. They are all awesome ladies, and I'm sure if you guys aren't subscribed to them, you will love them as much as I do, so make sure you go check them out. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, guys, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! Gorgeous people, this is Ambizzares DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Valentine's Day. Surprise Sunday. Bam. Try it again. And it's Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day to everybody out there. I hope that you're having a wonderful day today. Boom. Slow down. Slow down. Try it again. Our driveway is completely a sheet of ice. Awesome. So we can't go anywhere even if we wanted to. So, yeah. Where am I going to go with that? My head itches. Ugh. So my first card that I'm grabbing here is from Jean. I thought I could show these addresses, but I wasn't sure. So I gotta do the whole bit again. Good thing I didn't open anything. Okay, so this card is from Jean. And again, her channel is called Jean's Junk. Where are you going with this? Okay, try it again. Ugh. Okay, guys, so I blank. Total blank. Try it again.